as usual, we have our Hobonichi plan with me, and this week we are using Samantha My Stick Kit, and we continue with the theme of green, as I said on March. So we did have this wig that I didn't film because my memory card was full and it just got up and I didn't notice until the end. Then we have this one that was last week. You can still see it. I will try to link down below. And so we are filming and planning the week of the 16th through the 22nd. And well, I would say I don't have that much plan since you probably all know, but with the virus right now, we just stay at home as much as we can. So that's how it goes for this week as well. And well, we'll see how it turns out. I'm trying to work at home as much as possible, meaning cleaning, spring cleaning, and everything. So yeah, we are just going to begin, and I'm not using washi. I will try to not use washi and try to only use the kit so you can see what we can do with the kit. Okay, so we are done for this week, and it's pretty simple. I track my mail over here, travel trackers, my upload schedule, so this video will be on Monday. Then I do have 2 filming sessions, and after just stuff. So that's for my Hobonichi, and I already done my B6 spread for the next 2 weeks, so I can be a little bit ahead of the time. And I still have a ton of stickers. I do have all the icons, I do have some script, all the checklist. I still have 4 boxes, washing line. I just love also this little strip, so I will definitely use more stuff during the week, so I just keep it on the back. I already have 2 since they are green. I keep them for all the months, and I just put them over here. I could slide them, but since I'm using them pretty much every time, so I'll just keep it like that. I hope you like it, and I would love to know what you think about it down below in the comments. So tell me if you like a green months also for March, or if you have a completely different theme. So let me know down below, and I really wish you already subscribed to my channel. If it's not the case, that you would consider subscribe. And well, that's pretty much everything. Like I said, I will see you in my next video. Bye.